Hey there, how you doing? My name is Mike. The fact that you're on this page is a very good chance that you're looking for a way to make some additional income working from home. What I want to share with you is a way that you can do that. A little bit about myself. I've been in this industry now for 17 years full time. I've seen it all. My business partner Casey, the same thing. What we do is we show people how to create an income working from home and to connect all the dots. What I want to do today was a short little video just to introduce myself, say hello, let you know that I'm a real person and that I can help you along the way in creating that income that you're looking for. What I'd like you to do is if you're interested and you want to learn more how to make a nice income, and I'm not talking hundreds of dollars, I'm talking thousands of dollars every week that you can be making for you and your family, and all you'll need is your computer and or a cell phone. It's super simple. If you click the link below, you'll be able to watch a video. It's a 13-minute video, explains everything, and below that you're going to see a bunch of testimonials of real people making real income doing exactly what I'm talking about. What we want to do is we want to remove the mystery of how to do all of this. Most people fail in this industry because they don't know how to connect the dots. They don't have any technical skills. You're not going to need any because we're going to show you exactly what to do. So if you have any questions and or concerns, all our information is going to be there. We have all the marketing in place. We have all the leads. We're going to show you exactly how to do this. Whether you're part-time or full-time, or whether you're just looking for some extra income, whether you're a seasoned professional in this industry or whether you're brand new, it really doesn't matter. We can work with anyone. What we want you to know is this is not MLM, this is not recruiting, this is no downlines. This is a business in a box that will show you how to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every week doing what we're showing you how to do. So watch the video below. If this is for you, you'll have all of our contact information. You can reach out to us. We'll show you how to get started, and we'll show you how to create that extra income that you're looking for. So I want to wish you a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.